Hey, it's Brandy and I am back with another video. This one is a little bit different than some of my normal videos. It's not a project share, it's a product share. I've been obsessed with Kindred stamps. I've been buying as much as I can afford and I'm really excited about this. This is one of their exclusive box. This is their Justice is Served box and I'm sharing it because it's exclusive. It's still currently in their shop, so I wanted to share it before it sold out. And so here we go. So in this box you get a bunch of different things. We're going to start with the pattern paper. So there are 12 pattern papers. They're double-sided and you get 2 of each. There's 6 papers, so you get 2 of each, so you can use 1 each side. So there's the yellow, and let's see if I can get nice and close on this. This has got little lightning bolts, and you got some green polka dots. You don't know, it's not showing up true green on my camera. It's a little bit, it's not as dark as it's showing, and some green and yellow. And then you get like the comic book classic dot, some clouds, which is super cute, and some red and yellow. And then a whole bunch of fun birds, and then a blue or a yellow and black, and then this is the red and blue. This is a much smaller, tighter dot pattern. And then I think I showed these ones already. A purple one, and then you get this cool pattern, and it's blue and green. I'm not sure if it's coming up quite great on my camera, but so there's the pattern papers. They are 6x6 pattern papers. I'm pretty sure they are. Nope. Yeah, they're 6x6. So you get the pattern papers. This is some washi tape. You pull off the end so you can see it. So it's super cute. Let's see if I have a piece of paper here. See if I can show you a little sample. It'll show up better on the white. So you have your washi tape. And let's see. There is a pack of shaker bits. So let me open them and pour them out a little bit so you can see them. So there are seed beads and sequins, and there are stars, and I don't know if you can see these, but these are really cool. So there's little bats, and there are all sorts of fun, and it's like gold and yellow and black and like a navy blue. I think I see some silver. Oh, there's like a glitter one. Okay. There's all sorts of fun goodies in there. And they sent this really cute pen, and it actually writes really well. Here, I'm going to show you on here. I really like the way this writes. So it's a nice fine liner pen. I don't know if it's waterproof though. Let's see. It's smudging a little bit, but not terrible. Could be worse. I've seen pens bleed worse. Oh, let me see if I can zoom in on that for you. So it didn't bleed too much. I mean, I did go over the water pretty quickly on it. And you also get a embossing folder. This is by Doris, and I'm not sure if it has a name. City Scene. So it embosses the buildings and all that right onto your cardstock. And the best part of it all, the exclusive stamp set. So this is their Justice is Served stamp set. Has some really great sentiments, awesome characters. I love their little caricatures. Let me turn it so you can see that one. and this one. So I'm really excited. I think I'm going to make a mini album out of the contents of the kit, and I will share that when it's all done. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys soon.